Alrighty, y'all. This is just my Pillsbury sugar cookie dough and my Werther's original candies. And I am just putting these into a greased muffin tin. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna pop these into the oven for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, guys, so we cooked these for about 16 minutes total time. Now I've just got my Pam spray and my shot glass here. I'm gonna Pam up this shot glass and we are gonna start making an indent in the middle of each one of our cookies. And you can see that caramel kind of bubbled out a bit. It's just like liquefied. It's gonna harden again, but it spread itself out within the cookies, and that is very exciting. It's gonna be so amazing, tasty caramel cookies. Perfect. All right, these are still pretty hot at the moment. I'm gonna set these aside to cool completely. While those are cooling down, I'm just grabbing a bowl here. I'm gonna throw in some pecan pieces. We've got some old-fashioned caramel dip here. And I'm just gonna put about that much. I'm just eyeballing it. And now I've got this Philadelphia cheesecake, honey pecan, cream cheese. And we are gonna add this in as well. Yum! What goes better with caramel and cookies than more caramel and some pecans? I am a big old pecan lover. I could just eat them every day. Give me a pecan, candied or salted, whole or in pieces. I love a pecan. All right, perfect. Let's go grab those cookies. Alrighty, guys, our cookies are cooled down. Now I'm just bringing in our caramel pecan mixture. I've got a cookie size scooped here, and we are gonna put a little bit of this into each one of these cups. This is my favorite thing to make. You can completely customize it. I normally have been making it for the last couple of years with M&Ms in my cookies, but I've recently been branching out, trying stuff like Reese's Pieces. Today we're trying Werther's Originals, just all kinds of fun candy that you could incorporate into your cookie cups. What do you think we should try next, Marty?
I'll have to think about it. I
Okay.
wouldn't want to ruin the surprise.
Okay. What about something like a, why can't I think of what they're called right now? They're those mint, junior mints? But they would melt, they wouldn't hold their shape. So what do you think?
I don't know.
Okay. All right, I've got a little bit of melting chocolate here. I'm just gonna put these into my microwave for like 30-second increments to get these melted. All right, guys, nothing goes better with caramel and pecans than a little bit of chocolate. So we're doing a drizzle all the way across all of our cookie cups. Oops, it was going so well. Did you see that, Marty? It was going so well. And then I kind of got off a little bit.
Oh, but what a recovery.
Thank you. Cool. All right. These look amazing. Guys, I've got to quality control test this out here. Oops. Perfect. Easy to get out, even with the Werther's Originals in there. I am going to take a bite and let you guys know how it is. Oh my God. It's honestly amazing. It's so good. Y'all, you gotta try it.